Welcome to How to AI Wednesday, the series where we explore how to harness the power of artificial intelligence to fuel your creativity and improve your life. I'm your host, Andrew, and in this inaugural episode, we're diving into the world of AI to show you how to create captivating scripts, images, and videos. Let's unlock the potential of AI together. First things first, let's talk about finding the right AI to partner with. For our projects, we use a specialized AI from OpenAI called VideoMaker, a creative genius in generating images and videos. Start with a simple internet search for AI for video and image creation. Look for AI with capabilities that match your creative needs. Once you've found an AI, like VideoMaker, take the time to understand its capabilities. VideoMaker can generate images, craft scripts, and lay out the scene. With VideoMaker, you can create scripts that captivate your audience. Let's dive into how to craft your first script. Begin with an idea or topic. For instance, the impact of AI on everyday life. Communicate your idea to VideoMaker. Provide details, tone, and any specific instructions to tailor the content. Now, let's create some visuals. VideoMaker can generate images and guide you with animation ideas to bring your script to life. Describe the image you need, including style and elements. VideoMaker will generate it for you. Specify the type of animations or transitions you'd like between images. VideoMaker will someday soon create smooth, engaging animations to enhance your video. With your script, images, and animations ideas ready, it's time to compile everything into your first video. VideoMaker can assist with sequencing and even voice narration. Organize your script, images, and animations in the order they should appear. Add voice narration and any final touches. Your video is now ready to share with the world. And there you have it, your guide to creating engaging content with the power of AI. Remember, creativity is at your fingertips with tools like VideoMaker. Join us next Wednesday for more insights on how to AI your life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep creating.